The world's first mechanical keyboard designed for gaming launched at Gamescom 2010. It's called Razer Black Widow. Gamescom, Cologne, Germany, August 18th, 2010. Razer announced the Razer Black Widow mechanical gaming keyboard. The Razer Black Widow features a uniquely tactile mechanical key architecture that provides each key on the keyboard with a crisp response and tactile feedback similar to a mouse click. Coupled with a unique key actuation point halfway through the full travel distance, the optimized mechanical key structure found in each of the Razer Black Widow's keys provide for greater precision and accuracy versus other traditional mechanical keyboards. The keys also feature one of the lightest actuation forces for all keyboards. The key actuation force has been optimized from readily available components, but sorted with the rigorous quality standards. As a result, this enhanced key force allows gamers to type and click much faster than other mechanical keyboards in the industry. For this time, this is the one and only mechanical keyboard that features fully programmable keys with on-the-fly macro recording, as well as 5 additional gaming keys, further leaving other mechanical keyboards in the dust when it comes to gaming performance and compatibility. The revolutionary mechanical gaming keyboard is available in September 2010. Also available in the same month is the Razer Black Widow Ultimate, a step up from the original edition with the added features like individually backlit keys and 5 levels of light, audio, and microphone out jacks and additional USB port. This keyboard mechanical key architecture provides a distinctive tactile feedback that simulates the precision of performing a mouse click, giving gamers an entirely new feel with this keyboard. With its optimized actuation force of 50 grams and an actuation point halfway down the full travel distance of 4 millimeters, the Razer Black Widow's keys deliver crisp response and actuation speed. An ultra-robust construction, fully programmable keys, 5 additional macro keys, and on-the-fly macro recording round off this revolutionary gaming keyboard. The first competitive gaming mouse is made by Razer, and the name of the mouse is Boomslang. The Boomslang was designed to be a comfortable, ergonomic mouse that could facilitate hours-long gaming sessions. The right and left mouse buttons were round, wide, and long, unlike most computer mice at the time. The Boomslang was the first mouse capable of 1000 to 2000 dpi. No one had ever engineered a mouse so sensitive. What this means in practice is that the mouse is more accurate and responsive. And if you have your sensitivity set appropriately high in Windows, you will need to move the mouse around a lot less than you normally would to get the same reaction. The mouse itself is longer than most rodents, with a flashy, ergonomic design and an IMAX-style semi-transparent plastic finish. The 2 buttons are huge, covering about half of the top of the mouse, and between them you will find a mouse wheel which predictably doubles as a 3rd button. The Boomslang's design is also totally symmetrical, allowing both normal, right-handed, and freakish, left-handed gamers to use it with ease. In 2008, Razer released a Boomslang Collector's Edition so gamers could nostalgically relive the first days of PC gaming. This CE version allowed for customization of mouse settings, personalized bindings, and polling rates. The mouse also comes with a neat little control utility called the Customizer that lets you play with your mouse settings. You can, of course, change the sensitivity of the mouse here, as well as being able to disable the on-the-fly sensitivity feature, set the double-click speed, and adjust how far the scroll bar moves each time you move the mouse wheel a notch. Razer Boomslang have an option in Customizer to tell are you left or right-handed. Today, Razer make 20th anniversary edition on this mouse to feel the retro spirit in modern times. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. See you soon for more interesting stuff.